Hello, today we are going to learn how to do the double crochet stitch. So we're going to start by chaining as many stitches as you want. I'm going to do about 8 to 10 stitches. And the most important thing to remember is if you're doing 8 stitches to chain 2 extra stitches to make 10 chain stitches. Or if you're doing 10 to do 12 stitches. So I'm just chaining, and then I'm going to go into my third to last stitch and start my double crochet. So you just saw me do one. Let me explain how to do it. Yarn over, and then you go through. So you have 3 loops. Then you yarn over again, pull through the first 2 only, and then yarn over again, and then pull through the second 2. And that's a double crochet stitch. Let's do it again. Yarn over, go through, got 3, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2. Let's do it again. Yarn over, go through, yarn over, got 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And let's do it again. Yarn over, go through 1, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we'll complete. We'll repeat the process until we get to the end of the row. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, and go through 2 again. Yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Alright, and that's our first row of double crochet. Now this part we're going to turn our work, chain 2, if I can pull it through. I did it, cool. Alright, now we're going to yarn over, go through the third to last, 1, go through 2, go through 2. Yarn over, go through 2, yarn over, go through 2. Then we're going to repeat the process until we get to the end of the row, and then we're going to tie off, and that's how you do a double crochet stitch. Thanks. Thanks for watching Crocheting and 14 with Sam. Have fun hooking.